losing patience. Where is the file?
There's someone else here. They must have taken it.
Those masks. Who are these guys?
There's no one here but us. We will find the file, or you will die.
This is bad. They'll kill her if I alert them. Need to pick them off silently.
Et salut à tous, aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour une nouvelle... Alors, pardon.
Masked gunman and a single hostage. Looks like a heist in progress.
Copy that. Sending units your way. Keep the situation from getting worse in the meantime.
Can do.
Et donc je disais salut à tous, on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo sur Spider-Man Insomniac Games. Donc le troisième épisode de mon concept noir et blanc en VO. Et voilà, on commence directement, c'est parti, on va casser des bouches. Et il y a toujours une petite phase tuto. Hop, voilà. Une vraie petite araignée.
Should web him from above.
Hop, ramène-toi.
Whoa, careful.
Ah oui, il y avait un mec ici. Toc toc. Qui est là?
Stay quiet now. Someone's coming. They'll see me down here.
Hop.
Someone else is here. I swear. She must have the file.
Oh l'enculé, vraiment j'allais l'insulter là.
I don't know. I just don't know.
Move it, Pete. Bad guys are getting ready to be bad.
Ah oui, là, les méchants, ils sont prêts à tirer, c'est pas très bon signe. Hein. Je pense qu'ils en ont rien à foutre. Donc voilà, encore une petite phase tuto. Il faut toucher un élément qui peut créer une diversion. Et voilà. Et on le chope. Oh, j'adore quand il entoile comme ça fait vraiment waouh. Et bam! Il a mis un penalty à la boîte. Quel intérêt, j'ai pas compris. Enfin bref, alors ça c'est très joli par contre. Ça c'est très joli. Oh, il va la fermer sa gueule. Oh, c'est magique. Bon, let's go.
This totally belongs to...
Don't move.
Buddy, if I had a nickel for every don't move...
Hey, Pete.
MJ? What are you doing here?
Same as you. Working. At least, I was.
Oh, I think this is yours.
Yeah, thanks.
So, Robbie's got you covering a break-in for the Bugle?
Well, Robbie doesn't technically know I'm here. And it wasn't a break-in until a few minutes ago.
Uh-huh?
Let me explain.
Excuse me.
Hi, Mary Jane Watson. I'm covering the Fisk estate sale.
Hello. Craig said we'd do this tomorrow.
I like to get a jump on things.
Well, I don't. You'll have to come back tomorrow.
Right. Okay. I'm sorry. Hey, Craig? No, sorry. It looks like we're gonna have to run something else on the cover. I don't know, maybe the expressionist piece?
You know what? I think I can make today work.
Are you sure?
You're here. No moment like the present.
Thank you. Craig? Never mind. We're good.
Let's get started.
1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1.
Look around and familiarize yourself with the items. I'll be waiting by the Baku statue.
Et voilà, on joue Mary Jane. Incroyable. Mary Jane Watson. Ouh là là. Bon, je suis en train de tout défoncer. Et c'est le but. Allez, allons voir la madame. C'est stylé, hein. J'aimerais bien voir Spider-Man combattre des gens, enfin des guerriers habillés en samouraï comme ça. Allons-en, je vous attends, madame. Ah
Sounds
oui,
good.
bah je suis là, hein. Hop.
Starting with the prize, a one-of-a-kind Kakemon Baku.
Beautiful.
Oh,
It's a Mifune?
je peux laisser parler mon art.
Mr.
Regardez-moi
Fisk
ça.
has exceptional taste.
Magnifique. Mais bon, on va faire ça sérieusement.
Did you know him well
Hop.
before his arrest?
In a professional context, I handled many of his sales. Let's move on, please.
Donc ça aussi, faut prendre en photo. Attends,
Now
faut que je
this
m'approche.
exquisite piece exemplifies
Hop.
the traditional Tarashikomi puddled ink effect.
The two Neo are
D'accord.
so imposing. I can see why Fisk liked this piece. Definitely his style.
He loved the duality. Destruction screams, but creation toils in silence.
Was there ever anything irregular in any of the sales you handled for him?
No. No, of course not. Not that I was aware of.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a à prendre en photo ici?
Notice the
Ok.
intricate gold inlay on this ceremonial tea set.
It's just a friend in the DA's office mentioned that Fisk used art sales to launder stolen goods.
I'm
Ce
sure
serait
I
pas
wouldn't know
étonnant de
anything
lui.
about that.
Oh, I know. I was just wondering, now that he's arrested, if you had ever noticed anything strange.
You know what? I'm actually running short of time.
Et vas-y
Why
là,
don't we
crache le
grab the
morceau.
cover photo while we can.
When I told my DA friend I was doing a piece on you, he mentioned your name was familiar.
Just the photo, please.
Non,
Stand
non,
right
mais
there.
crache le morceau là. Merde. T'es relou, hein.
Are you sure there's nothing you'd like to say, maybe off the record, regarding Fisk's activities?
Là, je
I
te
don't
zoome
think
bien la
your
gueule là.
readers would have any interest in.
Ah, vas-y, va
Damn
répondre au
it.
téléphone.
Wait here, please.
Oui, bah oui.
Wait,
Et
I
hop là.
recognize that statue. Got it.
Craig, I'll call you back. My dear, I think it's time for you to go.
Oh, could I use the restroom real quick?
Fine, follow me.
Thank you. This is a really lovely space.
It is, and this will be the last time you see it. The ladies is around the corner.
Ça sert à rien d'être désagréable comme ça,
Of course.
madame.
Be
Vous
right
êtes. Vous êtes complice. Vous êtes complice. Par contre, attends, j'avais jamais exploré ici. Ah si, j'avais fait... Si, je m'en souviens, je l'avais fait. Hop, allons aux toilettes.
Hello, Craig. Funny you should call. Because the reporter you sent is clearly not working the puff piece we agreed upon. No, she's here now.
I've got to get into that back room. If that statue is what I think it is,
Oula, je fais pas mal
this
de
just
bruit.
turned into a huge story.
On va dans les
She had
backrooms,
to reschedule.
elle a dit.
If
On va
she's
changer de
not
jeu
the
carrément.
reporter, who is she, Craig?
Oups.
Who is in my auction house?
Hop. En vrai, comment tu peux rater une rousse comme ça qui passe devant tes yeux?
No, I do not trust you to fix this.
Pete told me about this. Fisk
Oh,
used it
no.
to hide evidence. Why didn't the cops take it? I know this statue opens. But how? That's the Neo behind them. But it looks different.
Ouais, il a une petite pose différente. Je crois que je connais la combi par cœur. Ah, attends, on pouvait le pivoter, attends.
Statue can
Voilà.
move. Most common pose is latent power. Mouth closed, left arm down, right palm facing forward.
Alors, il me semble...
Maybe these pieces
si je
move.
me souviens bien, c'était ça. 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 Ça.
Nice.
Ça. Nickel.
So close.
Je vous ai dit, j'ai trop fait le
Piece
jeu.
is missing. I've
J'ai
seen
trop
these
fait le
before.
jeu. Regardez, c'est lui. Et voilà.
That's it.
J'ai trop fait le jeu.
Norman Osborn. What is this? Devil's breath. What is devil's... What the...
Excuse me, sir. You can't be.
Not good.
Where's the statue?
In there.
把文件找出来。
I was on my way to the exit when I saw you.
You're lucky to be alive.
Says the guy I saved 5 minutes ago. Listen, whoever these masked guys are, they're after this file. But I'll never get it out of here while the place is swarming with them.
Right. Okay, you hide back there. I take out the bad guys. You make a break when it's clear.
Sounds like a plan. Good to see you, Pete.
Yeah, you too. Not exactly how I pictured us meeting again, though.
Funny. It's exactly how I pictured it.
Did she change her perfume? Focus, Pete, focus.
Allez, reste concentré là. T'es un loup, t'es pas un loup. Oh. Bon.
Yes. All right. Of course.
Alors.
Should clear these guys out before I push forward.
Alors. Ce que je voulais dire, c'était avant que la cinématique elle se lance. Qu'est-ce que je paierais pour oublier
Okay, Pete. I'm hidden near the front.
oublier le jeu pour le refaire?
For it.
Will do. How about
Je
that
kifferais
file?
ma race.
What's in it that these guys want so bad?
Notes on something called Devil's Breath. Fisk was hired to build a secret research lab for it. Not clear what Devil's Breath is, but it seemed to scare Fisk. He compares it to Pandora's box.
Not much shook Fisk. We need to get you and that file out of here. Hang tight.
Ok, on sait pas faire pairer. Oh là, j'ai eu tellement peur. Une petite pression là directement. Alors je vais le choper. Hein. Hop.
Gotta stay silent.
Regarde-le lui. Ah il veut pas? Si, regarde-le. Trop la classe. Hop.
哪来的？
Please, don't hurt me.
费斯科的手下已经绝望了，好像该这样。
Hop.
蜘蛛侠，他跑不掉的。Is it？
Ouh. Let's go.
Let me go!
MJ,
Stop!
no. Hide!
Cassage de bouche express.
Taking guys.
Hop.
我们
Whoa, what is up with that glowy stuff on your hands? Are you guys ghosts?
Oh putain, oh là là, oh là là. Je prends cher. Hein. Oh putain, waouh. Ils attaquent tous en même temps, attends.
I mean, I've fought specters, but, you know, technically specters aren't ghosts. All ghosts are specters, but not all specters are ghosts. You know what I mean?
Il me fait pas peur lui. C'est pas parce qu'il a une hache que... Ok, il est puissant, mais regarde. Je lui retire ça. Il a plus rien le poteau. Et regarde, il va le rechercher. Vas-y. Il va dormir. Vas-y, c'était stylé, c'était stylé. Voilà, lui il est accroché. Oh là là, dans la nuque. Et bah terminé hein. C'est terminé, let's go. On a sauvé la vie de MJ et de la casse-couille de service qui veut pas révéler les infos.
Looks antique. I think I know someone who could help track down where this came from. A job for later.
I just talked to Craig. You are not the reporter he was sending. You don't even work for Heritage Arts.
Never said I did. Hi, Mary Jane Watson, Daily Bugle.
You will not write a word of what you saw
For the
here.
record, what do you know about the file those masked men stole?
That... I don't...
What about the long history of stolen goods Fisk has laundered at this auction house?
Your editor will be hearing from our attorney.
Mix? Like the last 6 months never happened? Since when did Mix become Italian?
No idea, but I'm still glad he makes these fries.
Totally. Best in the city.
So, how's the grind at the Bugle?
Well, I just got an all-caps text from Robbie about my so-called antics tonight. So it looks like I'll be meeting with a legal team. Again.
As soon as he reads the article you're gonna write, guaranteed promotion.
So, creepy mask guys. What's your take?
Just another night in the city. What's your take?
I feel like there's a bigger story there. Let's not make this all about business. How's it going with you? Did you get that promotion?
No, but we're on the cusp of something really big.
You know Oscorp would hire you in a heartbeat, right? One phone call to Harry.
Sure, but Dr. Octavius' work will help millions. I'm right where I want to be, right where I should be.
Almost sounds like it's more important than your other job. I've never heard you talk like that before.
A lot can change in 6 months.
Why did you ask me here, Pete?
You know, just dinner between friends.
Friends. Is that what we are?
Well, maybe we could be, you know, if that's what you wanted.
There's a lot of baggage here.
Yeah, sure, but is that so bad? I mean, baggage can carry good things too, like money and keys, and raspberry lip balm.
Do you remember why we broke up?
This is a trick question, isn't it?
Saved by the siren.
Talk to you later.
Go.
Love seeing you two together again. You always were my favorites.
Stanley le GOAT. Ouais, je sais ce qui nous attend et ça va être
Hey, it's me.
cool.
What's with the units heading down third?
Looks like our old friend Herman Schultz is at it again.
Voilà, Herman.
Shocker. Didn't he just get paroled?
Yeah, well, guess it didn't take.
No worries. Herman's just a big cupcake. I'll have him back in Rikers by bedtime. Just had dinner with my ex after saving her from masked criminals. And now I'm gonna go beat up a maniac who uses shockwaves to rob people. What a perfectly normal life you have, Peter Parker.
C'est vrai que ça doit être une vie très passionnante, hein.
Calling all units. Robbery in progress. Suspects are armed. Reported location is in the vicinity of Nomad.
Peter, I just want to make sure you haven't left any equipment you built for your friend around the lab. It's no bother to me, but if the grant committee stops by again...
Don't worry, Doc. I make a point not to leave anything there. But I know my friend appreciates you looking out for him. There's a lot of people who don't like him very much.
That buffoon Jameson and his audience of sheep? Please. The people who do great things in this world are those who don't let bullies like him stand in their way. People like us.
You said a mouthful, Doc. Take care.
Doc Ock, le GOAT aussi. Bon, on arrive. C'est assez loin tout de même. Bon, il y a un crime, mais est-ce qu'on va faire le crime? Bon, allez, une petite bagarre.
Those guys breaking in don't live there. You guys don't look like locksmiths.
Ah voilà, bagarre terminée directement.
Pro tip: if you're not good at breaking or entering, maybe don't pull a B&E.
Voilà, faut écouter les conseils, hein. Hop.
Hi, Herman. Seriously?
Hop.
Give it up! You're never gonna catch me!
That's what you said last time.
I don't want to hurt you! You'll just slow me down!
Wow, that's considerate. What's the money for, Herman?
Why do you care?
Actually, I don't. Just trying to make polite conversation.
I'm done talking!
But this could be so much more rewarding if we connected on an emotional level. Wait, I forgot.
Ah, il veut pas discuter là.
Come on, Herman.
Il fait la conversation tout seul, Peter.
Interesting.
Hop, je chope.
Gotcha. Now let's talk.
I said I'm done talking!
Noted.
Il va se prendre un pied-bouche dans la gueule, lui, il va voir.
Honestly, Herman, why are you robbing again?
Il est apparu une minute, il m'a énervé.
I mean, we all know you're kind of dumb, but I didn't think you were this dumb. You must be desperate, which means you're not just stealing for yourself. You must be working with someone, or for someone. You can tell me who it is now, or make me punch it out of you later. Your choice.
You said enough!
Oh là là. J'avais oublié ça. Il vise bien, hein, l'enflure. Et hop.
You know what, Herman? You have like zero personality, but your suit is awesome. Can we talk design details? Maybe later.
Good work, Spider-Man. Did you learn anything about his motive?
I tried, but he's not very talkative. Plus, I think he hates me.
You have that effect on a lot of people.
But you love me, right, Yuri?
I tolerate you.
Wow. That might be the nicest thing you've ever said to me.
Et voilà, le petit choqueur a arrêté
Maybe now's a good time to look into that
de
map.
choquer.
Oh, it's MJ.
Un truc du genre.
Hey, MJ. You're
Hop.
up late.
Je suis pas très inspiré pour les blagues. Il est tard.
Yeah, he was unusually combative. Anyway, thanks again for dinner. What do I owe you?
How about a favor? You still have that mask from the gallery?
Yeah.
I'm actually on my way to the Feast Center now to ask Martin Lee about it.
Martin Lee? Why?
He has a degree in art history. If anyone knows about the origins of that mask, he will.
Just keep me in the loop. Like I said, I think there's a bigger story here, and I plan to be the one to break it.
Sure. So I can call you, like, whenever?
Yeah, whenever.
Almost morning. Mr. Lee will be here soon. I could use a snack.
Ah, mon goulu, il se fait plaisir, il se fait plaisir. Faut tenir à ta ligne, hein. Non, en vrai, Peter, il peut manger n'importe quoi, il va pas grossir, lui. Attends, c'est moi ou il y a... Wow, j'avais jamais remarqué. En tout cas, dans la version remaster, je pense c'est comme ça. Mais il y a les pliures sur la chemise quand il marche. Ouais, c'est stylé, hein. Il n'y a pas ça sur PS4, je crois. Hein. Que sur le remaster PS5. Ah, ouais, c'est... Waouh, j'adore. Allons découvrir l'origine de ce petit masque.
Peter, what can I do for you?
Sorry to bother you, Mr. Lee. I have a friend, Mary Jane. She's a reporter. She's doing a story on art imports, and she found this piece. Well, she wanted an expert opinion on it, and I know you have a degree.
And this might be the first time I actually get to use it. Let's see what you have. Interesting. Where did she find it?
I'm really not sure. Why, what is it?
A replica of an antique Chinese opera mask. I haven't seen one in years. This symbol here roughly translates to demon.
Demon?
My father read me ghost stories with that mask and symbol in it when I was young. Scared the hell out of me. Peter, listen. That mask, it could be connected to dangerous people. Mary Jane might want to find a different story.
Do you think she's in trouble?
I don't know. Why take the risk?
Je suis totalement d'accord.
The symbol inside the mask means demon. It really spooked Mr. Lee.
Ouais, mais c'est pas très fameux, hein.
He even said you should drop the story.
Fat chance. Do you think Mr. Lee knows more than he's letting on?
No, I think he just had a weird flashback or something. I know his childhood was pretty traumatic.
Yeah, makes sense. Demons, huh? Catchy name. Okay, gotta get writing. See you soon.
Well, that went about as well as I could have hoped.
Est-ce qu'il marche bien dans les escaliers? Ah, Peter, tu sautes des marches. Hein. Bon, après, t'es Spider-Man, tu t'en fous. Hein. Tu te rattrapes. Hop.
Got some time to kill before Doc needs me at the lab. Let's do a little Spidey workout in the city.
Et ben en parlant de se dégourdir les pattes, on va s'arrêter là pour cet épisode. On se retrouve... Oh putain, attends, il y a trop de trucs là. C'est quoi tout ça là? Tous les petits logos. On se retrouve pour la prochaine. Hein. Ouais. C'est ciao la team.